Determine the center and radius of the following circle, and then draw its graph. So in order to identify the center and radius of a circle, it's best to have the circle written in what's known as standard form or center radius form. And that looks like x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. And our equation is very similar to that, but if it was in that form, it would be very easy to identify what the center and the radius of the circle happen to be, because the center is located at just hk. We don't have to do any additional work for those. And the radius is just r. So in this case, if I take this equation and express it as just leave this x plus 4 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 7 squared, then that tells me that the center of this circle is going to be at -4, +3. Notice that I used the opposite of these numbers. And the reason I had to use the opposite is because the formula says x minus h. So the value h itself is the opposite of what this number here is going to be. And then the radius is 7. So -4 on the x, +3 on the y. That's where my center is going to be located. And then to get a radius of 7, I would need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 above, and 7 below. And those points there give me some decent reference values in order to sketch in the best circle that I can, although it's probably not going to look perfect by any means, but if your center and your radius is correct, that's good enough.